Hello there, welcome everybody. My name is Don, and this is my version of a phone stand. Inside you've got your phone lead and your charger, not forgetting your telephone, and there's an adapter I'll show you later. So it is able to stand in 9 different positions from almost flat down there, and if you keep coming up there's all the positions that you want to almost standing upright there. So the phone will sit on there like so, if you can see that. And also if you wanted to watch movies horizontally rather, then the adapter will allow you to watch there, and that's quite a good height as well, almost eye height when you're sitting at a table. So this is my version of it. What we need to do now is know how to make it. So the rest of the video will be showing you how I go about making it. Okay, so let's make a start then. 2mm cardboard. That should be thick enough, quite sturdy. So if you can get 2mm cardboard, all well and good. And we need a piece 9.5 centimeters by 18 centimeters. Okay, so cut that out with a sharp knife, easily cut. Then we need 2 side pieces, go either side there, and they are 5 centimeters by 18 centimeters. So they will go on the side like so. And then we need 2 more on the side, on the ends rather, and they are 5 centimeters by 9.8 centimeters. So we have to take into consideration the thickness of the card. So when we go on the end there, it's going to go like so, fit on the end. Okay. Now on these 2 end pieces, in the middle, so find the center, and then we need a piece 3 centimeters, so 15mm either side of the center line. Okay, and then 25, so in the middle, 25 centimeters that way, or 25 centimeters that way, and we need to cut that out. Okay, so cut those out and then make your box. So should have something looking like this now. Now what we need to do is put these pieces of card on the end like so. So they're sitting on top of the box, and one that side and one that side. And these sizes are 33mm long that way and 15mm wide that way. And they're going to sit on there. To make them a little bit stronger, it's best to put something underneath like so, and then when these are glued on top, it's more robust. That's all. You don't need these. You could get away with not having them, but I just think it makes it a little bit stronger if you did. So put those on there like so. Okay. So we've got these pieces stuck on the end now. Now what we need is another piece of card 10 centimeters by 17 centimeters. And that's going to be our lid. That's going to sit on there and butt up against these 2 things that we've just stuck on. Now square the lid up so that it feels nice and square over the box. And with some cloth tape like this, some call it gaffer tape, cloth tape, cut a piece the same width as the box, and it's difficult to do over the top of a camera. Put that on there like so. So you've got a a hinged lid like that. Okay, and then with a sharp knife you can take away, I should have brought my knife in actually to show you, but you can cut along there with a knife and then fold that piece underneath out the way. Okay, when you've done that, we'll go on to the next stage. So we've got our box now. What we need is a phone holder. So with the same material that we put underneath the flap just there, we need a 1 centimetre wide piece of card, the same distance again as that there, and one the other side, but they'll go about there. Well, maybe back a bit, that way around. And when we lift the lid up, that will hold on to our phone so it won't slip down. So they need to be glued in place there. Then inside, what we need, 2 pieces of card, 13 centimetres by 4 centimetres. Then mark every 2 centimetres a line, and then measure down about, what do I say, 5 millimetres, something like that, 4 or 5 millimetres. And then we need a 45-degree angle like that. That's what you need. So when you cut those out, you have that. So they're going to sit on the side there, so that we can adjust the height of the lid from there to there to there to there to there. So we need 2 of those, one either side, but we need them to come out from the side a little bit. So we need 2 more pieces of card the same length, and the width is only like so, just below where our teeth are, if you like. So that when we, better if I did it that way. No. Oh my goodness, like that. So we stick that to there, and then stick that in there. So it's away from the side a little bit. Yes. And then do the same both sides. Yes. Okay, go and do that. Okay, all stuck inside there. Now we've got our adjustments inside there. Now we need a piece of card 8 centimetres from the end of the lid, and we need to stick that on there. This can be any size you like, really, as long as it's the width of the inside of the box. It will sit nicely inside the box there. So that will sit in there. This distance can be anything you like. Okay, and then this piece, the width is again the width of the inside dimension of the box. That's going to sit in the adjustments along there, and the size is 10 centimetres long that way. And we're going to put that there. So stick this on, just lay that there in the middle of the lid there, and then again put a piece of black tape across there. It'll look like that. A piece of the black cloth tape there, so that when you lift it up, this will swing out and fit into whatever height position you want. So that's the next thing. I'll go and do that. So now we've got our height adjuster, and we can adjust the height of what height we want to look at our phone at. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different heights that you can, starting at the bottom there like that, if you want it to a shallow look, or right up to the top there. Okay, so that's basically it, finished. As an optional extra, what you can do, oh, let me put that back there, get in, a piece of card 9mm that way, and the width is the same width as the lid, so that sits there. The bottom piece is the same construction as we've done there, only all the way along, same thing. And then on the back, a short piece and a long piece stuck on the back, so that sits over the top there, going up. So we can just slip that over the top, and then we can put our telephone horizontally. That will sit there horizontally like that. So what we need to do now is paint it black. I'm going to use the black aerosol spray. I think that's a better looking finish rather than paint it with a brush. So I'll give it a spray, and we'll see what it looks like then. Okay, there we are, all finished, sprayed black. I just happened to have some of this glittery stuff left over from a different project. Just thought it looked nicer on the sides there. Obviously you don't have to, but it does make it look a little bit more professional. So there we are. We've got our lead in there. We've got our adapter. We've got our telephone, and we've got our horizontal thingy. So everything will fit inside, and then if we move the adjuster, we can have it to any height we like so. Put our telephone on there, and we can also have it plugged in and charging at the same time. That's what we made the little hole for. And our adapter at the top here, if we want to watch a movie or something. Let's go up a bit. Then we can watch that horizontally like so. Okay, so there we are. That is my version of a telephone holder. Have a go yourself. Let me know if you do. Let me know how you get on. In the meantime, if you've liked this video, then please subscribe to the channel or click that like button. And like I say, if you have any comments, then please do so. In the meantime, I shall be back for I shall be back with another idea of mine to show you. So if you subscribe, you will be informed when new videos come up. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so thanks for watching anyway, and I'll see you in my next video.